everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is our second day up in Sturgis. We're gonna check out what the progress has been in the past week getting ready for Rally 2022. So sit back and enjoy the views of Sturgis as they are still preparing for Rally. We'll see what differences have happened. This was stop sign before, was it?
No.
So a new stop sign here.
Stop sign here either.
Nope, I don't think there was. Just the main intersection.
Yeah.
Well, there's a new booth they're just setting up.
Yeah.
Don't know what it is yet. Budweiser. Sturgis Cycle.
Oh, that's a nice Corvette. I don't think this one was here, was it?
Yes, this is the main stop sign on Main Street. Yeah, we'll see how. Oh, that's up and open now.
Yeah. Look at that Chevy.
Yeah. No. Okay, we may have to go to a side street to park.
There's a lot nicer cars.
Nope, motorcycles.
Yeah, no, it's a small car.
Bunch over there, but I'm not going that way.
You wanna turn around?
Yep. Turn around. Here's one or two right here.
So.
Yeah, we'll park right here.
Turn her off?
Yep. Alright, so we're here in Sturgis again. This is the 29th of July, so 1 week from today, I believe, is rally start. And it's a little busier. We can still drive down the main street, so that's not shut off yet. There's much more vendor booths up here that are open, so we're going to take a cruise again down the street, see what's here. Nothing going on at the music venue over here yet.
Look like a crazy man sitting in the middle of the intersection.
This is a crazy town. Yeah, this place is getting set up. Just a big empty hall right now. Looks like they're setting up closed booths and things over there. is another Milwaukee leather. There's a big one on the main street. We're over on, what is it, Lozelle? One where, Mr. Al's 2. Must be tattoos. $20, 3 for 55. Yep. That's nice green. I like those sleeveless cotton shirts. No, it wasn't last time. So all kinds of shirts and mugs and pants like that, but you got to have a butt to fit into it. Your jewelry. You're a chain guy now. $6 for $60 is $10 a piece. I'm sure they have a grill. They're going to be serving food. Oh, they got a stage here too. So there'll probably be music in here sometime later this week. Silencer Central. You need a silencer for your gun right there. Yeah, we ate here last year. With this street here. So the food booths are set up. Remember last week I pointed down from down the block, I pointed to this whole row in here and said there'd be tents and food vendors up, and they're all set up now. So there's a bar. Yeah, a semi-bar right there, semi-trailer. There's probably a big tank of beer. Boots. Ladies shirts, $25. Booties. Oh, yep, flannels. Wow. Huh, so, no, this is just a dress shirt. Oh, no, it's heavy cotton. Wow, that's heavy. This is definitely a winter shirt. I like it, though. It's nice. Yeah. I like this one. That one's red.
Let me know.
Hi.
Welcome to Hot Leathers.
Ooh, there's a pink one. Look at that. Or purple or whatever it is. Okay, so we're at Hot Leathers. And this is on the corner of Main.
You're on the corner of 4th Street and Main.
4th and Main in Sturgis. And you guys are open for business now, right?
Yes, we are. We've been open since Monday.
Okay, so you're going to be 3 weeks or a month?
We will be here until it is over.
Until it's over. So when you stop coming, then they'll close up.
All right.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. Thank you very much, sir.
Yep. Okay, so this is 4th and Lozelle, and looks like Harley Davidson is setting up over there. on that corner. So that means this is going to be an extremely busy corner come another few days. I don't know what's getting cleared. I make beer disappear, puts in superpower. And set up. What they got there, look at that, the racks are pre-packed, pre-wrapped. They put them out and then just unwrap them. Senior Center. So this is the Senior Center, I guess. This is pretty much just sort of food here. Open, yeah, breakfast. Yeah, serve breakfast. There's a bunch of shirt shops over there. It's set up, it's not open. See, they got the gate across there, it's closed up. They're getting prepared foods, sirloin steak tips. Wow. Okay. Okay, Main Street in Jackson, coming into Sturgis. All the booths are set up down over here, but I don't see anything open right now. This place was open last week. favorite guy. Speak, Zoltan. No, he's not speaking today. I thought he spoke when he walked up. Hello? Well, he's not so all-seeing after all, is he? Still waiting for Tom Hanks to show
I
up.
see you over there. Yes, you.
Yeah.
Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
Okay, go ahead. Zoltar, what a guy. Oh, he plays the flute, I see.
Keeping them?
Hell yeah.
Goddamn, you need to fucking players. You need to wall them up.
They're like, just stop. Just stop. You're making the stain look bad.
Oh, this is the,
Yeah, these are all new inside there.
I thought it was like black ice. I thought they were
This is,
Bill first died last week. No luck next year.
and we were in there last week. So kind of the same this week. A few more shops open. A lot of prepping. Ooh, feel that cold air blowing out. A lot more bikes than last week. Cars on Main Street. Probably till next week. Yeah, sometime next week. Expect this next Monday.
And then not only that, all of the
Picture of the video.
$4
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, they're there. He's a hermit color Harley.
tell him I'll do it.
Trash cans everywhere. This car. Talk about blank. Wind down. Wind coming. Want a job? Hotel Sturgis. You kidding? That's a hotel in the corner of downtown.
from 3,000.
All right, so it looks like there's more activity in terms of the t-shirt shops being open. A lot of booths are set up but not open. So a lot of them are food booths. There were a lot of closed booths that weren't open yet either. So this is Friday, 1 week from the official rally start. So my guess is by the early next week, someday, Monday, Tuesday, I don't know how soon they close the cars on Main Street, but we'll come up and check it out. And then things will be in full swing. So more prep this week with getting things set up. There are more motorcycles in town. There's probably a couple of dozen or more parked along the streets, and they're driving through, driving around. You see them on the streets. There you go, right there. So people are starting to show up. We'll keep you tuned in on what's going on. Thanks for watching. See you next week.